Yo, so this is part 2. I accidentally stepped on my camera. So here's the new thermostat. Got the lower ground wire hooked up. I got the little gasket. Put on the new heating element. And now time to put it together. So I'm going to put it all together and cut you back on. Well, I still got to do the top one. Alright, bottom one's all wired up. This wire is fucked up right here, so I'm replacing it. I don't have the that type of wire. I just have like regular industrial wire. Or housing wire, I guess you would call it. But got the bottom section done. Now I'm about to do the top. Wire that shit up and I'll catch you back on. Oh, side note, to get the thermostats out, you just have to take like a flathead screwdriver. Turn on my flashlight. And get it right there. And pry it outwards. And you gotta pry them outwards to get them in too. Alrighty, got the last one wired up. Loose, disconnect this one. But connect the blue one and the yellow one to the upper heating element. And then go cut the water on outside, let this thing fill up, turn on the hot water spigots in the house to release all the air and shit. Close this first. That's the first step. Close that. Then go turn on your water outside. Let it fill up. Turn on your spigot thing, like the kitchen sink. The hot water, turn that one on. And then as it fills up, let it fill up. No air bubbles, no like sputtering and all that come out of the faucet. And then turn your power supply on and you're good to go. Got it wired up. Hey, I'm not an electrician, alright? I'm just trying to get the hot water heater fixed. Alright, letting it fill up. I'm about to turn on the power to it. So I got power going. I'm going to turn it off till it's full. Until it's full. And then once it's full, I'm going to turn the power up. Got the water coming out. So once it fills all the way up and I have constant pressure like that, that's all the air coming out of it. And after about a few minutes of nothing but air coming out, hot water. Well, not hot water, but water got it coming out. So now I'm about to turn it on. And wait to see if it gets warm. So that's how you tune up your water heater in your house. If you have 2 elements, that's how you do it. You have 1 element, pretty much the same thing.